Casco, and thank you. If I knew that my Thank you for inviting me, and if I knew that I will be translated to 2 languages, I'll probably send you a shorter title. Thank you for all your work for that. So what I want to tell you today is about ribosomes and about what we studied from ribosomes. But first I want to answer a question that everybody asks me. What is new in my life? Because exactly a year ago, exactly by the day, I was here in San Sebastian in a meeting about medicinal chemistry, and I talked about the same thing, and no reporter wanted to look at me. The other thing that changed in my life are flowers. In the first few days after the announcement of the prize, my office, my home, the whole building became full of flowers, so some of them I'm sharing with you now. And thank you for looking at them, at least. So, proteins. What are proteins? I'm sure that there are here enough students that know it, but for myself and the general crowd, proteins are the cell workers that perform almost everything that living cells need for their life. In higher animals, proteins are also working in bacteria, but in higher animals, you have here some examples. For instance, let's start with transport proteins. Transport proteins, the one that everybody knows about is hemoglobin. It transports the oxygen from the lung to the muscle. Or enzymes. These are those that digest the food. There are sensory proteins, there are structural proteins, skin and hair and so on, and regulatory proteins. These are responsible for almost everything a cell needs in order to live.